Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today what we're going to do is show you how to set up your Core Essentials EDC gun belt. What you get in the box, guys, is first of all, of course, you get the belt, you get the buckle, and you get this bag of extra screws and a small Allen wrench. The first thing you need to do is determine what your waist size is. I'm a 34, so if you look on the back of the belt, what you'll see is there are markings on here already. This right here is 32, 33, and there's 34. It's not easy to see. When you find that, what you're going to do is you're going to add 4 inches if you're carrying outside the waistband. If you're carrying inside the waistband, it says to add 6, so that means that I will be cutting it at the 40-inch mark right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut it at 40, and then we'll put the buckle on. I know you can't see the number, but I have my finger on the 40-inch mark. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and just try scoring this with a utility knife. Okay, and then I'm just going to clean these edges up with some scissors. Just get these little pieces of thread off of here. It's not going to matter too much. It's going to be hidden by the buckle. Okay, the next step is place the belt with the numbers, the inside of the belt facing you, and the buckle in this orientation. You're going to slide the cut in that you just cut straight into the buckle. And you're going to take this clamp and you're going to clamp it over. Snaps in pretty good. And then what we're going to do is we're going to tighten these set screws up until they're good and tight. Okay, once you have your buckle installed, you'll simply lace it up like normal. This goes in here, right through your buckle. As you can see, you have your ratcheting groove. That's what engages your buckle. Tighten it up to your desired tightness. To loosen it up, simply pull this little lever right here, and it slides right out. Very simple, guys. Hope that helps you out. Y'all have a great day.